Okay, so we're going to talk about the midline theorem. So I'm going to have this triangle ABC. Okay, please note that this is just really any triangle. There's nothing special about it. A triangle ABC. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in two midpoints. Let's call them D and E. And I'm going to connect them. Okay, so those are midpoints. Okay, so what I want you to do now is just pause the video and think about why are triangles BDE and triangles BAC, right? Why are they similar? So pause it and think about that. Okay, so now that you're back, let's talk about why they're similar. So we know that in both triangles they share angle B, so that these two triangles are congruent. So we have a congruent angle. And then when I look at this, I know that the relationship of BD to BA is the same as the relationship between BE to BC. That relationship happens to be 1 to 2, right? Because if D is the midpoint, whatever this length is, we'll call it X, this length is 2X, and same on the other side. So these two triangles are similar by side angle side similarity, right? So if these two are similar, then that means that the relationship between DE and AC, the third sides, also has to have the same proportion, which is 1 to 2. That now. Okay, so again, in a triangle, sorry, my pen's not working. In a triangle, if two midpoints are connected, the segment is half the third side. So that's the midline theorem. Let me give you one pretty quick example. So here's my triangle. I'm going to draw this midline. Okay, if I know that, if I label this, okay, if I'm given that AB is equal to 5x minus 7, and I'm given that CD is equal to, say, 2x plus 1, how could I solve for x? Well, I could do a couple things. I know that the midline, so 2x plus 1 times 2 is equal to the third side. So distribute is equal to 5x minus 7. Solve this equation, right? I had to isolate my variable. It kind of works out, so x is equal to 9. If I wanted to, I could plug that in to find the sign. So DC is equal to 2 times 9 plus 1, which is 19, which means hopefully AB is double that, 38. So AB then is equal to 5 times 9 minus 7, which is 38, right? So we know we're correct. So that's the midline theorem. Not that big a deal. Make sure you take notes and you remember it.